Baking is a science, which can make it challenging to get the right consistency without under or over mixing your ingredients. With the Deluxe stand mixer, the magic is in the mixing. It takes the guesswork out of common baking and meal making challenges in your kitchen. From a batch of cookies, to shredding chicken, to mixing meatloaf and mashed potatoes, you can prep delicious meals with the touch of a button. The mixer has 5 no-guess presets: whip, cream, mix, beat, and knead. Each one is programmed to reach the ideal time and speed for consistent, optimal results. The LCD screen will even tell you what accessory to use for your preset. And the best part? The mixer will automatically increase speed, minimizing the mess. Plus, it will stop when the preset timer is up. The custom setting lets you choose one of 8 speeds for full control of your tried and true recipes. The mixer comes with 3 accessories: a scraping beater that scrapes the bowl while mixing, a whisk for whipping lighter mixtures, and a dough hook for kneading. All the accessories are dishwasher safe, including the stainless steel bowl, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the even weight distribution, cord storage, and carrying handle make it easy to move and store in your kitchen. You can't beat that. The mixer comes with a cooking guide, so it's easy to get started. There are recipes for appetizers, desserts, and weeknight dinners. The Deluxe stand mixer is a need in your kitchen. Happy mixing!